Let's learn how to install DaVinci Resolve for free. First of all, download it from trusted website only. Just go to their website Blackmagic Design, and go to the products page. Scroll down and find the software. And click on Free Download. This is for free version and this is for paid version. If you have a MacBook, click here. You can also download it for Linux. If you use Windows like me, click on Windows x86. Now fill your details, and click on Register and Download. After download you will get this zipped file, which is approximately about 3 GB depending upon the version of the software. To install it, extract the zip file. It will take some time. Now just double-click on the extracted file and wait. You can uncheck first two options, because we only need the software. Then click on Install. If you are installing it for the first time, you may see this type of window. You can simply click on Install. And if you don't want to use any kind of specific hardware like DaVinci control panels, audio panels etc., you can uncheck these options. So, after clicking on Install option, now click on Next. Accept the license agreement from here, and click on Next. You can change the location where you want to install it. I want to install it in my C drive, so I am keeping it as it is. Now click on Next. And then click on Install. It will take few minutes. You can forward this video. Now click on Finish and then OK. Installation is complete. We can open the application. You can read about these features which are recently added to this version of DaVinci Resolve, or you can skip these and continue. Finally, we have successfully installed our DaVinci Resolve.